Know some big stuff from art book leaks. I saw them before I could mute them on Twitter. Alright, what now? Who next? Ooh. Cock magic.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a Yeti up here too.
A Yeti?
Yeah, there's a Yeti.
Sorry, guys.
Bless you.
Oh my god.
Thank you. Bless you.
Thank you. Oh. Oh my lord. Sneezies. That so many people want games to also cross over into like porn territory. Like not everything has to be fucking fan service. Scribing, welcome. You now have access to our sub-only Discord, so be sure to join. Let me put my alerts in front of my PNG 2B. Uh-oh, I got a sneeze. Fuck. I'm so wet. From sneezing. Oh my god. When I sneeze, nothing comes out of my nose, but I do like a mist of spit. Do you know what I mean? Why is this? Literally nothing comes out of my nose when I sneeze, but I do be misting with my mouth.
I'm good on
I'm
that.
good.
Wait, does this blade that you gave me have bleed?
I don't know. You can check. Bless you.
Secret
Thank
twitching.
you.
Bless you. No,
Thank
it
you.
doesn't. Okay.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. And everything, like, it just, like, slowly proceeds to, like, take up your entire vision. And then sometimes I didn't even get a headache after, or a migraine. It was really weird. The worst one I ever had.
You're valuable, thank you.
Also,
I ate there during Final Fantasy Fan Fest in Vegas.
so sorry. Oh my god.
No, bless you.
I
Bless
swear
you.
I'm done. Oh.
I also sneezed many times.
Oh my god, we are just the same. It's our tiny noses. Our unable
Yeah,
to
it
breathe
is.
noses.
Unable to breathe, yeah.
Like some
I
new
just- I
Minecraft
just have
sensation?
some
Yes,
grapes
me. Oh god.
So we're gonna have to start growing some food. Like you really ran down a hill
I
and
need
gobbled
more
those
food.
grapes like a
What'd you
freaking
say? So I can get wood today?
monster.
Oh, sorry, I just sneezed a million times. Thank you.
Oh, bless you, bless you, bless you, bless you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Once we have yeah, it doesn't look good from this angle. Actually, it doesn't look that bad. Once we have a whirlwind on top, it's gonna look even nicer. Bless you.
Oh, world. Do I have your art tips? Like, do you have questions? I could try. I'm no pro, but I could try to answer any questions anyone has. I would be happy to try. Update to latest patch. Please make sure your game is updated to latest patch. Wouldn't it have automatically done that? How do I make sure? Updates? Always keep this game updated. It updated today at 8:22 a.m. I think that's hopefully. You've served me well, ass chicken. I gotta sneeze. Whoa! Whoo-wee.
I intercepted some Imperial communications. Your reputation
Achoo!
is growing.
Achoo! 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Where am I supposed to be going? Achoo! 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 Oh my god. Whew.
Check it
Thank
out.
you for the blessings.
The bridge.
Achoo! 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 No. People were shitting on it. I don't know why. I have to sneeze. People are in their like hate Doja Cat era. It's weird. Achoo! 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 A lot of people I know still just stream music.